how's it going? It's Cali T here, and here we are again. The lovely Loot anime has come yet again, and I just don't know about these boxes anymore. I used to be like really excited when like these boxes were like big, because I was like, oh my gosh, like I know people have gotten like, I don't know, some kind of floor mat or like maybe like an apron or something, and now all I expect out of these things are figures. And I don't know, maybe their prime audience are like, you know, people who enjoy figures. I'm just not like super into figures, but I don't know, I always have hope for these things, that there might be an item within this lovely thing that I'll just go gaga over, that I'm like, yes, this is exactly what I needed, thank you for giving me this lovely surprise. But you know, we'll see. So I guess it's time to open this bad baby up. Let's do it. Hey, and as always, you guys get the first lovely look out of it, so let's see what it is. Alright, was I right? Was I right? Let's go find out. Ooh, maybe I was wrong. First up is a lovely t-shirt, and it is, ooh, it is Psychopath. Look at that. Now this is a nice design. Look at that. I love this actually. And the quality feels great. It doesn't feel like it's gonna like, you know, crinkle. I hate the crinkle shirts. But this looks fantastic and it's black, so I could literally pair it with everything.
Smart job. You're winning my face.
But let's continue. Next in the box we have this Robotech beanie. This is the design. It looks kind of cute. It's like, you know, the crossbones. It is super soft. This patch is super sturdy. I don't know. I'm kind of digging it. What do y'all think? Hit me up in the comments. And the next item that's just popping out at me is this lovely graphic novel, and it is, oh, it's Battle Angel Alita. Now I've seen like, I guess, trailers of this movie that was going to be coming out pretty soon. And I guess it's based off like, you know, this original cyberpunk classics. Might give this lovely thing a try. And the next thing in this box
that's literally taking up the entire space
is this lovely figure of Astro Boy. I was never really into Astro Boy all like that, but his character is pretty iconic and, you know, has gave way to so many other inspirations of modern day cartoons and everything, so, you know.
You have to give credit's due.
Oh, whoa, it's kind of cute. Look at this. I don't know if you can see this properly, so I'll make sure to like leave a picture, but he's like completely see-through, and you can see all of his like, you know, unique like properties that make him Astro Boy. He looks really cool. Oh my goodness. Hey, I wonder what it looks like when it lights up. Future Cali, that's your cue to like show everybody how this lovely thing works, okay? Love you, kisses, bye. So when you put the batteries in, this is what the figure looks like. It just has this like red glow to it, from top to bottom. And that's basically all it does. I wish it kind of like changed color or something, especially because this thing takes like 3 batteries. I'm just like, come on now. So just be prepared for that. And then we have, and it looks like it's a pin, Dendrogram. Oh, I've never heard of this anime. It must be something new. This is what the pin looks like. It's pretty detailed, I must say. And the last thing in this lovely box is the poster. Aww, it's the classic Astro Boy. And that was everything that was in the Loot Anime Tech Edition this time around. I thought it was a pretty good selection. I am especially digging this beanie. It's kind of growing on me. And of course I'd get things that I like actually appreciate as soon as I like expressed my displeasure with Loot Anime as of late. I am planning on doing a giveaway for some of the Loot Anime items over the years that I just didn't find like use of, or like I didn't have like really a great affinity with, and I was like, oh well, if I'm not going to use them and I don't really like them, I'll give them away, you know. So stay tuned for that in the future. And that's a wrap for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. As always, are there any items in here that you were like, hey girl, hey, I really like that? Please let me know in the comment section below. And stay tuned for more anime and otaku-esque stuff coming your way. And hey, if you like this video, please let me know by commenting, liking, and subscribing. And that's it for me. Thank you again for sharing a part of your day with me, and I hope the rest of your day is awesome. Until next time! And this thing is pretty hard too. It's almost like a... Yes? You want to wear it. You want to wear the hat. Hey, I like this beanie though. I like this beanie though. I got a beanie on my head cause I said so. Oh, oh, and it's yellow. Oh, okay, I'm done. Thanks.